What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Apple will introduce iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the premium phone of the series. It's powered by a vision of the new A19 Pro 3nm chipset. It features a new 6-core hexa-core CPU. The smartphone will feature a LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED touchscreen display with a 120Hz refresh rate and measuring a massive 6.9 inches screen size and a 6-core GPU. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max will have 12GB of RAM and storage will be 256, 512GB and 1TB. The phone will deliver a smooth responsive performance. The smartphone will have a triple camera system and a 24 megapixel camera on the front. The phone will come with an extra large 5000 mAh battery with a variety of charging options. The expected starting price of around $1,230. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.